Namaskar. I am Professor Ramesh from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, and would like to apply for the National Teachers Award 2025 from the Department of Higher Education, Government of India. This video has been recorded to highlight my contributions to the field of teaching and research as one of the requirements for this award. To begin with my education and qualifications, I received my bachelor's degree in civil engineering from Bangalore University in 1999, master's degree in hydraulics from Visheshwaraya Technological University in 2002, and PhD from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka in 2009. So I joined National Institute of Technology, Karnataka in 2009 as an assistant professor, then become an associate professor, and currently I am working as professor and head of the Department of Water Resources and Ocean Engineering at National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. I have total 16 years of teaching and research experience in the field of water resources and geospatial technologies. I worked for wind farm company and a rural water supply and sanitation project after my bachelor's and master's degree. I was a visiting assistant professor at the Asian Institute of Technology, Bangkok, under the faculty secondment program of MHRD for 4 months from January 13 to April 2013, where I taught groundwater development and management subject for postgraduate students and assisted with PG dissertation thesis. My research area include GIS, hydrology and climate change, water resources engineering and management. I have totally 47 research papers published in peer-reviewed journals, 8 book chapters, 30 papers published at national and international conferences, 10 papers in national conferences. As on date, the total citation of my publication has reached 2176 with an H index of 20 and I-10 index of 32. I have completed consulting work worth more than 10 million rupees on various aspects of water resources and ocean engineering. I was one of the recipients of National Doctoral Fellowship awarded by AICTE, Government of India, to pursue my PhD. In addition to this, I also received fellowships from Global Water Partnership to attend 2 weeks workshop on international water law held at the University of Dundee, UK, and DAD-sponsored summer school in eco-hydrology held in Kiel University, Germany. I have supervised 58 MTech dissertation theses and guided 7 PhDs. And 6 PhD theses are currently in progress on various burning and societal issues of water resources. I am a member of Board of Examiners, University of Bangalore, Board of Studies, National Institute of Engineering, Mysore, and the member of the Karnataka State Coastal Zone Management Authority, Government of Karnataka. I am a lifetime member of the professional bodies such as IAHR, Indian Society for Hydraulics, Global Water Partnership, Indian Society of Remote Sensing, IEEE, International Water Association. I was also a member of the Pollution Studies Committee for the Raichur Growth Area constituted by Karnataka State Pollution Control Board. I am Associate Editor of Indian Society of Hydraulics Journal of Hydraulic Engineering, publishing by Taylor and Francis. I delivered a few invited talks on water resources and remote sensing outside NIT as part of my outreach activities. I have successfully completed 8 R&D projects supported by Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Water Resources, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, with a total amount of more than 50 million rupees. The notable projects are SCRB funded project on conjunctive use of surface water and groundwater management for about 30.2 lakhs. The highlights of these projects are the development of conjunctive use, surface water and groundwater model, calibration, validation, and predicting future conjunctive use scenarios for deriving the best water management policies to maximize the yield and water productivity in Hemavati River basin of the Upper Kaveri River. DST MHRD sponsored under Imprint 2 scheme impounding of river floodwaters along Dakshina Kannada coast, a sustainable strategy for water resources development for about 1.11 crore. The highlights of this project are floodwater estimation, site selection for coastal reservoir, hydrodynamic analysis of sea dike, coastal erosion and accretion, assessing coastal reservoir geometry for minimum impact on shoreline and dike and water storage, land use, land cover, etc. Another project which is funded by Ministry of Earth Sciences, coordinated by NSES Trivandrum, on submarine groundwater discharge from Netravati River to Udyavara River, Karnataka coast. This is a pan-India project, a part of pan-India project with a cost of 10.16 lakhs. The highlights of this project are primary data collection at every 1 kilometer along the shoreline, data analysis, preparation of aquifer geometry, water quality assessment, estimation of submarine groundwater discharge, numerical modeling. Ministry of Water Resources funded project on impact of climate change and water resources in river basins from Tadri to Kanyakumari, along with Indian Institute of Technology Bombay and CWRDM Calicut. So the contributions of this project are assessing water resources due to climate change from Tadri to Kanyakumari. So my focus involved in this project from Tadri River Basin to Netravati River Basin within Karnataka state. The approach we used here is the modeling, numerical modeling and statistical downscaling in order to understand the water resources due to climate change. The another project which is funded by DST under SPARK scheme, Coastal Reservoir as a Sustainable Strategy for Water Security, with an international partner from Australia, University of Wollongong, which is a